In this video, we're going to take a look at taking a quiz, and notice I'm here at section 1.3, the online quiz. As I've been working with section 1.3, I'm going to go ahead and continue to work with that. Now what do? Well, I simply take the quiz. Now remember, you can take this quiz up to 3 times if you need to retake it and take it over again. The idea is to do what? Is to get you to practice working with the kinds of questions you're going to see in the Mr. D Math program. By the way, these questions are designed in a way that you may need to go back and look things up. You may need to search some things even beyond what you've seen in the curriculum. Why is that? Well, because we want you to become excellent test takers, and you're going to see that these are written in a standardized test prep style. So by the end of the course, you'll be able to take any kind of standardized test and do well on it from math. And if you need extra practice, we have an entire test prep center that we'll have access to during the course of the year. So it says this: subtraction is the best way to find the blank between things. Well, I'm going to get a couple wrong here. I'm going to say, what is bigger between things? Now, I know that's wrong, but I want you to see what happens when I get one wrong. I can go back and do it again. Notice now it says, choose all the words or phrases that do not mean subtraction. Well, I could go through and start to look and see, well, taller doesn't mean subtraction. And let's see if I've got everything else. Depart doesn't mean subtraction, and neither does demote. As I start to look at the rest of these, smaller, difference, describe doesn't mean subtraction either. Descend, down, decline, and decrease. All of the rest of those words do. So if you notice, I can pick more than one answer, and if it says here, multiple choice, many answers, I know there's many answers. So now I go into the next question, define one. And as I go into define subtraction, I'm going to go ahead and get this one wrong as well. Get some right, some wrong. We'll see how things work here. To rewrite 42 minus 27 using 10 is the best way to rewrite that. And I can look and see what that's going to look like as I put that answer in. And then how do you do something which says 34 minus 17? And I can put that in. Now I'm going to submit this answer. There's 5 questions. I'm finished. How did I do? It's going to tell me how I did. I got 3 out of 5. Remember, we knew we had 2 wrong. I can go back, though, and I can retake these. Now it'll tell me which ones I got wrong. Notice here I got all of those right, but I got the subtraction definition wrong, as well as I got that first one with my response. Notice it's not going to tell you the right answer. Why is that? That's so you can retake the quiz and go back and do it again. So to go back and retake the quiz, I would take it again, and then I can go in and see how my grade is. But now you can see how to take a quiz, and you can go back and you can work on this as well. In the next section, we're going to show you how do you go in and actually look at your grades once your grades have been posted in a grade book that you can look at as well as your parents.